Pleased to have you here, everyone. The best
face moisturizers
are listed below for online purchase. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you find this article useful so we can make more top 10 videos in the future.
Why is Roche-Posay recommended by over 90,000 dermatologists worldwide? Because we bring you effective skincare that makes a difference. Like Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer, with dermatologist-recommended ingredients including ceramide and niacinamide. Double action helps repair skin's protective barrier after 1 hour and provide 48-hour hydration. So no matter your skin type, even sensitive, you can have healthy-looking skin with Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer. For more than 75 years, Cetaphil has been intimately studying sensitive skin and partnered with dermatologists to identify 5 key signs of skin sensitivity: dryness, irritation, roughness, tightness, and weakened skin barrier. Cetaphil's products have been scientifically formulated to defend against these 5 signs by supporting the skin's natural barrier, boosting hydration, and soothing skin. Cetaphil. We do skin. You do you.
What does it take to develop a powerful cream that actually works on wrinkles? Our dedicated scientists study the unique characteristics of wrinkles so they can best understand how to improve their appearance. After testing 20 years of retinol technology in our innovation lab, the perfect blend of ingredients is here. Our unique formula combines retinol with hyaluronic acid and glucose complex in a rich, moisturizing cream that's gentle enough for daily use. Retinol works in harmony with the skin's natural process of producing new skin cells that occurs less frequently as we age. Hyaluronic acid adds plumping hydration to replenish parched, dull skin. And glucose complex accelerates skin surface activity to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. With these 3 powerful ingredients, our formula is... Our dedicated scientists study the unique characteristics of wrinkles. After testing the perfect blend of ingredients is here. Our unique formula, rich, moisturizing cream that's gentle enough for daily use. Natural process. Hyaluronic acid adds plumping hydration, and glucose complex accelerates skin surface activity. With these 3 powerful ingredients, our formula is for visibly younger looking skin.
Looking for the moisturizer that really works? I recommend Revitalift Triple Power. It has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, pro-retinol. Look at the results. Visibly reduces wrinkles, firms, and brightens. It absolutely works. And it's clinically proven. It does what it says.